This is the old Aplins shop in Bristol, as used to be run by Brian Aplin for 60 years. He's now retiring. Years ago, this whole street would have been full of mopeds from the 60s. You just go in the shop now. This is the counter. There's Brian himself. Here he is. One of the last remaining bikes available. Over the years, Brian served many people, and here's just a few photos of their bikes with thanks from them. A few tyres, the old counters, typical motor cane that would have been sold. Now, as we delve through the back, past some of the spares, through here is the Aladdin's cave of Aplins, where all his stock would be stored.